What's going on, y'all? Today I'm making a pork steak, but I'm doing it a little bit different. I'm sous vide at a different temperature just to see if I get a different outcome. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So y'all already know, we got a rain on it. We gonna go ahead and hit it with a little salt, some fresh cracked pepper, and of course a little onion powder and some garlic powder, y'all. That's that great seasoning mix that you can't mess with. Now once we get our steaks seasoned up, we gonna get it straight into that sous vide bag, y'all. Get it back down, and then we gonna get into that sous vide machine at 185 degrees for 2 hours, y'all. 2 hours. Once we get it out that sous vide, we gonna get into a pan of hot oil, just so we can build on that texture, y'all. Cause you gotta have a crust, y'all. Gotta have a crust. And once we get that crust, it shouldn't take you nothing but more than a minute aside. Let's go ahead and dig into this. Now I had mashed potatoes and green beans with mine. So let me get a bite and see what we working with, y'all. See what we working with. And to me, it's good. I don't know if it beat that 145, but it's good, y'all. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.